Hey guys, so I've had these passion twists in for a little while, and while I was retwisting them, I decided to record it and give you guys a tutorial on how to do passion twist using the rubber band method. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump straight in. So for products, we're going to be using the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, a crochet needle, and Free Tress Water Wave synthetic hair. We are going to start off by smoothing the roots with beeswax. You want to make sure you get all sides of the roots to make sure that it's really smooth. Then you're going to put that section back into a rubber band. Make sure you pull that nice and tight. Next, you're going to crisscross 2 strands of the hair so that they crisscross straight in the middle. And then you're gonna get your crochet needle. Make sure that the latch is closed and then insert that into the root of the hair above the rubber band. Put that hair into the needle, close the latch, and then just pull through, but not all the way. Once you get the hair pulled through, then you're gonna wanna pull only one side of the water wave hair, so that you have that crisscross right in the middle, right where the root is at. And then you're going to separate the curls to make it more full. We want to make sure that this looks really natural. You're going to apply some more beeswax to the rest of your natural hair. I would be generous with this depending on how coarse your hair is or how curly it may be. You just want to make sure that it's really smooth so that it can tuck into the twist really nicely. Then you're going to pull the 2 sections of your natural hair gently, but make sure that the rubber band goes towards the root so that it's as close to the root and that it's not loose. And then you're going to just twist down. And feel free to add more beeswax, however much is needed. You know your hair. And definitely add a little bit extra to the end so that they tuck in really nicely. And also make sure that you're twisting in the direction of the curl pattern that the water wave comes with. So this kind of takes some trial and error. When I first did it, I was struggling, but after a while, you kind of get the hang of it. So the way that I twisted this hair is I went right over left, if that makes sense. And I'm going to show this again in normal speed and at a close-up view, and then I'll show it one more time. So you guys will get 3 different views on doing this. So if you aren't catching on now, just keep watching the video and I'm sure you guys will catch on as it continues. And then keep adding beeswax as needed. And once you get to the end, I would add a little bit more beeswax just to make sure that it's secure, and then just twirl it so that the end curls and you're good. So now we're going to go through this again in normal speed. I kind of zoomed you guys in a little bit more. So again, we're going to smooth those roots down with the edge wax. You don't need to add too much. I would say just honestly, smaller than a dime size. You really don't need that much. Just a little pinch of the beeswax is enough. Go ahead and put the hair back into the rubber band. I would twist the rubber band at least 6 to 8 times. You want to make sure that that rubber band is tight, especially if your hair is short, because it might start to slip down and that could potentially mean that the twist will fall out. Go ahead and insert that crochet needle. Put the hair inside the needle, close the latch and pull through, not all the way. And then pull one side all the way through. Make sure that the ends are different lengths so that the end of the twist isn't too bulky. And then go ahead and start to separate the hair. And don't forget to pull those roots tighter just by pulling your natural hair in opposite directions. That will push that rubber band towards your roots to make sure it's nice and secure. And then add as much beeswax as you need to get your hair nice and smooth. And then go ahead and separate your two pieces and start to twist. So you'll have the water wave hair on two sides and then also your natural hair on two sides. So you'll just grab a section of both and then just twist. And again, I'm going right over left. And then adding a little bit more beeswax to the end of the hair. And then just go ahead and continue twisting. And I'm going to give you guys one more view just to be safe. And this time I sped it up just in case you guys missed anything. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just watch this, and I'll pop in if anything else comes to mind that I need to tell you guys about. You don't have to over separate the curls, just I would say 2 to 4 times is enough for each strand of curl. You don't need to go overboard with this. And again, separate your sides and then twist down. And that's it for today, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it helped you. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.